All right, so I'm taking the trash can from the back, and any kind of movement comes up, lights up this entire area here. You guys see moving? Pretty good lights. Very simple to install. All right, today we're gonna bring an electrical floodlight, and this is not a solar, it's electrical. You need to actually mount it. It comes with a hot, neutral, and ground connection. It has a sensor that you can mount anywhere you want. You can move it around. Now, underneath the mount is where you have to actually set up certain things. Now, on time, this is day to night mode to turn on. Auto will automatically auto detect any movement. Dim, it will dim out certain times, you know. Now, they have different time periods here in the range of how long it stays on, or if you want it full night, you can do that. So very simple to set up. All you got to do is make sure you got the back end properly and drill it in and set this up. Now, these lights are independent. They could go either direction to see a whole view of your actual backyard or front yard, wherever you're going to set this up. Very simple to adjust. All you got to do is release these, and they'll be readjustable any direction you want. And the whole fixture itself, it's very simple to set up and very simple to adjust. So I'm gonna put it out today and see how it looks at night. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so this is my backyard, and there's the lights up there. So when you walk in front of it, you'll see a little red light. It starts automatically, but look at this, shines up the whole place. Takes a couple of seconds. Any kind of movement will turn it on. You guys can see, I'm gonna stand still here for a couple of minutes. You guys can see that. So it's about 12 feet high, and that thing, if you like just move just a little bit to the left or right, there it is. The sensor, very powerful. I like it.